Welcome to Lingo Island. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. I'm going to walk you through this airdrop farming tutorial. Very simple and very easy. But the first thing I want you to do, go to lingoisland.com and let's get things started here. So if you missed the portal airdrop, do not worry. Do not worry. I found a similar opportunity for you in this Lingo. It's a massive airdrop opportunity with $0 investment requirement. So if you haven't landed to the page, go to lingoislands.com. You see these beautiful islands, and let's get started. Now, Lingo built the first Game of 5 RWA powered rewards ecosystem. They purchased real estate that are later rented, and they generated monthly yields. 100% of these yields are reinvested into funding their rewards ecosystem, creating a virtuous growth model. Now, a couple of little facts before we get started here. Over 200,000 users are on the waiting list. 200,000 is on the waiting list. And this is built by 150 million exit founders, an A-level team, and more. So let's get started with the farming tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, go to the website and then come to 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀. This is going to be your airdrop strategy. So I'm going to go to 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀. Okay, and this is where Lingo journey begins. Complete the task, earn your boarding pass, and start farming your airdrops at once. Click on Explore and just follow the steps. Literally, connect Twitter and verify your email. That's right here. And then after that, after these two steps here, right here, complete and complete. Make sure this says green. Then you want to go ahead and claim your boarding pass. Now, if you get lost in the process, you can click on how to play. It'll be on the website on the left, and you can literally just follow these steps here. Connect your X page, follow Lingo Coins on X, type your email address, click on the confirmation link, and then click the claim boarding button, which will be right underneath here. And this is the boarding pass that will go ahead and you can go to the next step. Now, after completing these steps, you're automatically whitelisted for their pre-public sale. Want to see how to secure guaranteed airdrops? Let's continue the process here. Okay, so let's go back to the island because I wanted you to see everything, okay? These beautiful islands. I love the way this look. Yes, Lingo is where it is. Now, let's go to the next step. We want to do here is the first step to get a guaranteed airdrop is to claim the business class. Farming is more fun together. Invite friends to upgrade to business class. We go to 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀𝙀. I keep saying 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀𝙀. 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 Let's say it together. 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀𝙀. Okay, explore. So we click on explore. And from here, we want to do this. We want to copy your invite link or guys, this is an option here. Use the pre-generated message to send your friends and invite 10 friends to upgrade to business class. Now, the pre-generated message looks like this. So you can send this message out in an email, in a text message. Maybe you're sitting at the bar and like, hey, go ahead and read this and get signed up because we're trying to get some airdrops, literally, with Lingo. Or you can just send them this link here and it has the information there. This is business class. Benefits include Lingo airdrops, airdrop multiplier, special pre-sale prices, and raffles with real-world rewards, and more and more and more. You want to get these filled out. Make sure these are filled out for you can move on to the next steps. This is guarantee your airdrops. You want to claim the boarding passes. When you get all the information, you will claim this boarding pass right here. You'll click here and you'll claim it. Now, if you get lost in the process here, just click there and it has the same steps. The steps your friends need to do is do the 𝙁𝙗𝙘𝙀𝙀 steps that you did earlier. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Connect, follow, type, and click to claim. Very simple. So once that happens, this will start getting filled up. When you start checking the progress on their pages, and you can come back to this page, you'll start seeing that as well. So they just got to sign up with this link here. You share this link from there. Now, guarantee airdrop plus perks like a special price on a token for pre-public sale, giveaway, raffles, and air boosters. So this is all those bonuses, or I would say benefits, from letting them or getting them to get these steps filled out. All right, you got that? In case you get lost, you can always go back over here. This is kind of like your safe haven, even though you on hodl haven. You get it? Safe haven, hodl haven? Okay, you got it. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is go back to the islands because there's a little bit more information I want to share with you. So if you do not want to feel like inviting people, you can always go to the Degen island. Now here, it is more of an airdrop paradise. Millions of Lingo token airdrops are hidden in the Lingo collector's card. So you want to go here, explore. This is pretty cool, right? So this is called Degen Islands, not the Degen Island you may be thinking about. So you want to go here and it says tag, right? Any post tagging Lingo coins, Lingo ticker. But start from the top. Farm air miles. So like, tweet, comment Lingo on X, was formerly known as Twitter. And then you get a chance to spin the wheel and win a Lingo collector cards. The cards are right here. And collect all 6 Lingo cards to unlock the super rare methodical card. 40% of the airdrop pool is reserved for methodical card holders. So this means is this, all you have to do, remember, it's unlike other social-fi campaigns. This is the biggest reward awaits for those who create quality content and will get a like from the Lingo coin account. So creating content is a good thing. Just make sure you got things plugged in. And also connect to the Discord as well. Verify the Discord by clicking there and you'll get some information from there. Collect additional miles for every view on your post. Add Lingo to your X and Discord username for extra daily miles. So you want to get used to the Lingo. The whole Lingo. So create content, follow Lingo. Basically, just put Lingo in everything you do. Just about. And maximize your airdrop. Majority of the airdrop is located or allocated in Lingo cards. So these cards right here. 40% of the total airdrop going to the methodical card holders. To claim methodical cards, collect at least one of these cards to common to legendary. So you want to get these, the legendary, methodical, spin the wheel, and continue earning. That's right. All right. Now there is a bonus here. After you start doing this, you want to create good content, follow Lingo, get in the Discord, follow them on X, create content that using Lingo, and click back to the island, back to reality, back. Okay, we're gonna go right over here to Whale Island. Now, Diamond Island is not ready yet. Diamond Isle, and that looks pretty good. I do not see Pepe up there. Is that Pepe? Yeah, that is Pepe with the diamond. It's the first class experience, but we'll do that later on once it's available. Now, this is Whale Island. So this is really, really cool. Now, claim the highest tier ticket limited to 10 NFTs with additional airdrop, private sale, token price on a pre-public sale, and a 5-star hotel stay. Now, this is the leaderboard that you see, and here are the information right there. And I see win a private jet NFTs. So the top 10 participant on this leaderboard that you see here could win a private jet NFT. Money can buy experiences, direct access to Lingo Investor Network, celebrity seed rounds, all-inclusive luxury hotel, just like I was talking about. Now, here's your invitation total. So you'll see that right here. And you want to look at the leaderboard, invite more friends, climb to the top 10 on the leaderboard, and use your code. Remember we were talking about sharing your code. You will claim your boarding pass, obviously, when you start inviting people in and start moving up the leaderboard. And you'll win this if you're top 10 participant on the leaderboard, and you can win. So if you're in the top 10 here, you get a chance to get one of these things, obviously. And it looks beautiful. And if you click on how to play, you go all the way down to Degen Island, and it will tell you, or no, go down to Whale Island, and it will just give you the information right there. You also have your air miles calculator that kind of talks about more about the Degen Island task. So look at there as well, your power poles and more information with that. But get involved in Lingo. That's right. The islands is here for you. This looks amazing. Airdrop guide to guide you along the way. If you get lost along the sauce, you got this information right here that talks about Lingo, the largest RWA rewards token rewards ecosystem. And you also have how to play to your left, going from the top to the bottom. Let's Lingo. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Have a good time. Start inviting people. That's right. And go through the steps because they're pretty simple to do. And let's go ahead and start earning some things. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.